Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram dark mode glitch. If you're experiencing a glitch with Instagram's dark mode, there are several steps you can take to try and fix it. First, you need to restart the app. Sometimes simply closing the Instagram app after you open it and close it. It can resolve minor glitches. You could also try restarting your device. Occasionally, glitches can be caused by temporary issues. With the device restarting it can help clear these issues as well. You could also try updating your app. Go to Play Store and on the search icon, look out for the Instagram app and open it. And ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. And you could also uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall back again if none of the above steps work. You can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can help to reset any settings or configurations that may be causing the glitch. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Instagram dark mode glitch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.